Hello guys and welcome to Hartman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys how to recognize great deals in the stock market. Now by great deals I mean that those stocks that which are trading for their lowest prices and you can buy them easily at their lowest position. Because of their lowest position they offer they may offer great profits in the future days in the future ahead. So recognizing these stocks is sometimes difficult, but I've come up with easy ways of how to recognize great deals in the stock market. So let's get started with the video. Now as you can see I pulled up a random chart. Now let's see, let's you can see I pulled up the moving average, the 9-day moving average and the parabolic SAR. Now with the 9-day moving average, let's turn it into 200-day moving average. Now you can see right here, this isn't a great deal in the stock market. As you can see that when the stock is trading below the 200-day moving average, that in that stock you should invest in. Now you can see at this point this was a great deal. Now at this point, because it is already at its all-time high, so investing in this stock is quite risky right now. As you can see it already rose far up ahead, and this place below the 200-day moving average is a great position to great entry point and a great position to take for the future to give you profits. Now and in this case this was a great position, but you can see now this is not a great position as the stock is already at its highest prices. Investing right now is too risky, so try to avoid stocks like these. Now now that was the moving average. Now let's pull up the Ichimoku cloud. In the words of Ichimoku cloud, as you can see this already has risen far up ahead, so investing in it right now is more than risky. So try to avoid stocks like these and invest in stocks that are trading below this cloud, or maybe when the stock let the stock trade for some time and then you can short sell it. By short selling, when the stock price drop below this cloud, then invest in this stock and see what happens and see how much profit it gives you while the stock is moving in a downward direction. Now let's pull up another chart. Let's pull up this one. So this is the method of recognizing different types of stocks that you want to invest in, or that you are waiting for a great position to short your. Now in this case, as you can see, the stock is trading below the 200-day moving average. Now wait for the stock to climb up ahead, and because this was a resistance level, so it came back down, and wait for it wait for the stock to give you some profit while the stock turns around and moves in the upward direction. So this would be a turning point, and see what happens when the stock turns against, and wait for the stock to break this resistance level and then move up ahead. As you can see in this case, the Ichimoku cloud, I've invested in this portion, so this was my mistake. Now I've also did my averaging, so let's see what happens next, because this is a resistance level, a strong resistance level. You can see the price rejected many times at this point, so let's see what happens next when the stock with this when this stock breaks this resistance level and moves in the upward direction. Now let's see what happens next, in this case in the Ichimoku cloud as well. As you can see, now it is trading inside the Ichimoku cloud, inside the cloud. So as it breaks this as it comes out of this cloud and breaks this resistance level, it will continue its upward motion. So let's wait for it and see what happens next in that case. Now let's see in this case. Now I've also pulled up another chart. Now it's loaded. Now you can see this also trading below the 200-day moving average and also below the cloud. So you can see now this my stop loss. I placed a stop loss in place. So let's see what happens next, because on my assumption that this will turn around and move in the upward direction. So let's see what happens next while the stock turns around and give us a profit. in the long run. So let's see let's see about that, and we'll post updates about this stock and the other stock as well, as this stock is moving upward in the upward direction. So we'll be updating you guys about this stock and the other stock as well that I've invested in currently right now. So you will see how it give me profit and what are the moves that it will give to you guys. So let's see about that, and you can see there are plenty of stocks in the stock market. All of them require studies and hard work, that you should recognize different entry points and exit points in different stocks. Different stocks have different technical analysis, so you should do that each and every one, because sometimes it's a headache and sometimes it's easy for you to pick stocks out of the stock market, because sometimes it's quite difficult for you guys to recognize different stocks, different moves, and also some of them, because there are plenty of stocks and you will be like, I don't know which stock to invest in. So do not do that, and also always have a single plan in place, that I will invest in these type of stocks and not more. Now you can see in this case, this is trading above the 200-day moving average, so will not go anywhere near it, or will keep an eye on it. So when the prices are dropping, I'm going to short my position in this case. So I guess no need to show you guys that how the Ichimoku cloud is performing in this case. So maybe let me show you. Yes, now you can see the cloud is green overhead. So let's see what happens next, because this green cloud shows that a positive signal. So let's see what happens next in this case. The Kijin Sen is also a bit risen, so let's see about that, and let's see what happens next in these stocks. So I'll be updating you guys about these stocks, and that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.